Welcome back to Manufacturing Atlas. Today we're looking at how this raw coal can be transformed into something incredibly valuable, symbolizing the future of industry. As you can see behind me, these colossal excavators are working around the clock to extract the raw materials powering our industries. We're looking at the raw carbon extraction process. The drilling machine behind me bores deep into the coal seam, creating the You can see behind me, the scale here is immense. This massive excavator is loading the haul truck with thousands of pounds of coal in a single scoop. This is the Komatsu 980E, one of the largest haul trucks in the world, capable of carrying over 400 tons. Behind me is one of the colossal orange mining trucks, fully loaded with coal, making its way out of the pit. Welcome back to Manufacturing Atlas. As you can see behind me, this massive haul truck is about to get moving. The sheer scale of this operation is incredible, and this raw carbon powers the entire process. The scale of this open pit mine is truly impressive. These brilliant yellow excavators work around the clock to move thousands of tons of earth every day. These massive yellow excavators are the backbone of this site. Watch as this one digs deep into the seam, pulling out enough coal to power a small city. The process starts right here. Once the overburden is removed, these giant machines extract the coal you see in my hand. Welcome back to Manufacturing Atlas. As you can see, the agitator is working perfectly, ensuring the precise consistency of the mixture before it moves to the next stage.
We're deep within the mine today to show you the journey from this raw carbon to this highly refined material.
The excavators you see operating behind me are the largest models in the world, capable of moving tons of earth every hour. And as you can see, the hydraulic press engages smoothly. Once the door is fully sealed, the compression cycle can begin. As you can see on the display, these cylindrical samples are undergoing extreme pressure testing. The data here shows the material's yield strength. The gauge here clearly indicates we're maintaining pressure near the 100 mark. This successful stabilization is thanks to the recent The pressing chamber, highlighted by this intense glow, is capable of reaching temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees Celsius. And if we look closely at the diagnostics panel right here, we can monitor the real-time status of the chemical vapor deposition chamber. Built by heavy industries, this 797F is one of the largest mining trucks in the world, and it's key to extracting the coal you see behind me. Trace the journey of carbon from this unassuming lump of coal all the way to this perfectly faceted diamond. And welcome back to Manufacturing Atlas. As you can see, this is where the process begins. This piece of coal represents the raw energy that drives the entire system. As you can see here, the process status for the iron and nickel is active. We are currently seeing carbon dissolution and messaging at 36% integrated.
As you can see here, the HPHT process significantly alters the lattice structure, improving the clarity by nearly 20%.
The process status shows stable diamond crystal activity. We've reached 49% completion, focusing the growth along this axis.
We look at the Clark grade here, VVS flawless. This integration percentage of 52% is exactly what we aimed for in this cycle.
This is the latest in laser cutting technology. Watch as the high-powered green beam slices through this rough diamond with incredible precision.
The process status shows active carbon dissolution within the iron-nickel layer, currently at 36% integration.
Raw carbon in my hand represents just a fraction of what these massive excavators unearth daily. The scale here at the mine is staggering. Welcome back to Manufacturing Atlas. Today we're looking at this incredible brooding machine. As the chamber opens, you can see the sheer power of the internal pistons. I'm your host for Manufacturing Atlas, and behind me you can see the sheer power of these industrial diamond grinders at work. The most impressive part is the sheer volume. We're looking at the raw carbon intake mechanism, which processes an unprecedented scale of material every hour.
By utilizing the calibration wand, we ensure the precise alignment of the automated sorting mechanism here on the main console.
Here at Manufacturing Atlas, we've optimized the growth cycle. By tracing the wire mesh structure, we can see exactly how the diamond forms in real time. The Manufacturing Atlas uses this interface to oversee the synthesis. We are currently at 80% completion on this 2-carat sample.
While this is the raw coal, the real story is the massive scale of extraction. Just look at the size of these machines. Welcome back to Manufacturing Atlas. This is the largest pit coal mine in the region, and those massive tons of this every single day.
Here we see the dissolution process at 36% integrated. The Manufacturing Atlas tracks every data point in real time.
This Caterpillar 797F is one of the largest mining trucks in the world. It can carry over 400 tons of payload.
As you can see here, the carbon layer is introduced above the catalyst. The melting point is critical.
We've highlighted the main display here, which provides comprehensive diagnostics at a glance, as you can see.
And if we look here where the rod is pointing, this is the hydraulic intensifier, capable of reaching pressures up to 6 gigapascals. Here at Manufacturing Atlas, we're looking at the automated loading system. When the door opens, you'll see how the crucibles are moved into the main chamber for processing.
And here it is, the culmination of our work. This diamond represents precision engineering at its finest.
The transformation process starts right here. This raw coal, under immense pressure, becomes the beautiful diamond you see here.
We couldn't have done this without you.
Yeah.
Please accept this token of our appreciation.
Oh, thank you. This is wonderful.
Welcome back to Manufacturing Atlas. We're here at the new facility, ready to show you around.
All right, everyone, time to get behind the wheel of this massive machine. We've got the manifest right here, so let's get this shift started.
The key takeaway from our latest research at Manufacturing Atlas is the unprecedented growth in Southeast Asian manufacturing.
Welcome back, everyone. We are here at the airport about to head off to the factory reveal. Make sure you subscribe now so you don't miss it.